What happens if we connect this capacitor here? We are going to manufacture a device that will reduce electricity consumption by 95%. For this, we need a Schuko plug with a cable like this one, a 35 microfarad and 250 volt capacitor, and a Schuko plug socket. We dismantle the plug socket. We insert the capacitor cables here, and we also insert this cable. We remove this screw. This piece is used to hold the cables. Now we join the blue wire with one of the capacitor wires. And we join the brown wire with the other capacitor wire. With crimped toes, it looks very good. This is the ground wire. Now let's connect the cables. We connect this to one end. Of the ground wire in the center. And we connect this cable to the other end. We put this piece back with its screw to secure the cables well. And we reassemble the plug socket. So our device is finished. Now let's test it. This is a portable power station. And this is your charger for the lithium batteries in it. We connect this charger current output connector here. We start up our portable power station. And we connect the battery charger power cable here. We have a consumption of about 640 W and we are only charging about 550 W. Therefore, we are consuming more power than we are charging at the portable power station. We have hidden the brand of the power station so as not to advertise, but you have a purchase link in the video description. Now we will do the same test, but connecting the battery charger through the device we have manufactured. We connect the plug of the battery charger to the power outlet of our device. And we connect the plug of our device to the outlet of the power station. Start charging the battery. As you can see now, with only a consumption of 20 watts, we are charging with a power of 563 watts. Very good. We are generating 543 watts of power totally free. Now we are going to disconnect all the cables and do a test outside. We must be very careful with the plug of our device, because when we disconnect it, the capacitor becomes charged with electricity, and if we accidentally touch it, it can give us a great electric shock. We turn on the power station and continue charging the battery. This method is called capacitor energy regeneration, and it only works with inductive loads such as current transformers and motors. This means that if we put another of these devices connected to the drill, we would also lower the power consumed by the drill, and in this way we would save even more energy. Now we are going to use this drill. This drill consumes a maximum power of 650 watts, and the battery charger connected to our device consumes a power of 21 watts. In total, we are now consuming 671 watts, and we are charging 544 watts. Therefore, that means that we are now consuming more energy than we charge in the battery of our power station. But we should not worry, because as soon as we do not use the drill, the battery will charge again, thanks to our energy-saving device. Thanks to this invention, we will be able to have free electricity anywhere in the world. Thank you to all our members. Become a member to support our projects and share this video to join the energy revolution. Thank you.